Hi guys, welcome back to another cooking video. So today I'm going to show you how I make my pasta salad. It's my go-to in the summer months, and I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is. Alright, so there's my pasta. It's all cooked, drained, and I rinsed it under cold water, and now it's nice and cool. So I'm going to go ahead and put everything together right now. Alright, so I have some chopped cucumber, some chopped celery, some chopped bell pepper. I have yellow, orange, and red, and some chopped shallots. So I'm going to put that in my salad, and then I'll show you my dressing. Alright, so I have everything ready here for my dressing, so I'm going to give you all the ingredients. So I start with some mayo, I put in some yellow mustard, a little bit of apple cider vinegar, I season it with some pepper, salt, a little bit of dry basil, a little bit of chives, and a bit of sugar. So I'm going to do that, mix it all together, and I'll show you that after. Alright, so I mixed it all up. It's all ready to go. I gave it a little taste just to make sure that the taste is good for you. I don't go by measurements. I just go by my eye and personal taste. I mean, if you like more salt, less salt, more pepper, whatever. So once you taste it, now you can go ahead and put it on your pasta. There it is. I put it in one of these containers, and I'm going to be bringing that to a party, so it's all set. I'm going to cover it and put it in the fridge to chill until tomorrow. That's it. Super easy and very, very delicious.